Hey everybody, I'm going to move through part 2 of our estate jewelry as quickly as possible because my grandson's here with me and he requires lots of attention. Um, so I'm going to go over these as quickly as possible. We have a whole bunch of more beaded necklaces and all of these, and there's many more, are all going to be put into one lot. We have this little porcelain forget-me-not box that also is a brooch. We have this chunky chain link bracelet, and I think that one's Sarah Coventry. Let's see. This is definitely Sarah Coventry. I've sold this before. You got the brooch and the matching clip-on earrings. A little angel pin, a pearl, and a little key. And a little diamond cut tie bar. And a chess piece. This one is adorable. It's a little red wagon. We've got this one. Probably gold filled. We have this one, which is gorgeous. Pink. And there's the mark for it. We have this one. It's quite tarnished. Another little beaded necklace. Setting all the beaded ones to the side. There are 2 of these beaded brooches. I like this one. A little ceramic heart. Very patriotic. And some faux pearls. This one's missing one stone, but it's still cute. I really like these earrings. They got the omega backs. This one is, it looks like 1928. They use that design on the back of their pieces. Faux pearl. That one's cute. Here's this watch. I know nothing about watches, but the glass is cracked there. There's this, which is a strand shortener, and I am excited to have that because I actually need these. A card, let's see here. Little intaglio glass. I know Whiting and Davis did a lot of these, so that, but this one, she says it says Germany, and I will trust her. A big bird brooch, kingfisher. There's another one of those magnetic fasteners. There's this. It's an enamel. And 2 little scatter pins. We have this keychain. It's cute. Reminds me of a dog my grandma used to have. Another beaded necklace. Beaded necklace. There's a bunch of enamel earrings. There's this. And she has the tag Avon in here, so I need to pay attention to the tags because this isn't marked Avon, but she did tell me that she put, if she remembered where she bought them from, she put it on the tag. Some cloisonne butterfly earrings. This is just a single earring, but it is 14K. So to get a single earring, at least it's 14 karat gold. That's awesome. And the earring backs, which we can always use. Another Avon Christmas tree brooch. I like the little bows. The big one. And another cloisonne. What is that? An orchid, maybe? These are very pretty. Gold tone. And like a gold tone curb chain. I don't see any marks on it. It's in good condition. Some little rose earrings. Some knots. And then there's these studs with a little flower jacket. Some screwback earrings. There's these earrings. Those the enamel has wear, but I love that little sunshine smiley face. He's cute. More enamel earrings. There's some moon glow screwback earrings. And all the earrings, I want to wad them up too. We got a 1940s brooch. It is sterling vermeil. Yeah. It's marked right there. There's this one. It's beautiful. Our tag's not on this one. Gorgeous. I hear pendant necklaces are one of the trending things going on. This is beautiful. Abalone. Another beaded faux pearl spring ring Avon piece. A cute little pumpkin brooch. Look at his little teeth. A little pair of sterling amber stud earrings. And we've got some glass faux pearls. We have this one with all these beautiful beads. This beautiful case glass right there. And then we've got some stone and a toggle closure. This really long one. Look, she's even got the dates on them. There's these. And these. And this one looks like little polymer clay butterflies. And it's got a sterling little closer here and a little crystal drop. Cute. And then we've got a bunch more earrings over here. Oh, I zoomed through this. More earrings. There's actually 2 pairs of those. Earrings. And then we have this faux pearl necklace here. They're like a pale pink. I don't know if that's coming across, but they're very pretty. Another one of these. Avon 1988. Like lucite beaded necklace with a barrel clasp. And then a 1986 Avon. And these are plastic, but they're AB and they're very long and beautiful beads. Look how iridescent they are. All right, that was super quick, I know, but I just wanted to make sure I could get through everything before my grandson's cartoon was over. And if you're interested in anything you've seen in this video, you can contact me. My email will be in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, everybody.